Myself Chandrasekhar, Potential Degree College Control, and today I am going to deal with the cycloalkanes. This is the chapter of alkanes and cycloalkanes. Alkanes is the first part and cycloalkanes is the second part. In this cycloalkanes, the cycloalkanes are the cyclic compounds. The cycloalkanes are the cyclic compounds which contain closed hydrocarbons chain, which contains closed hydrocarbon chains. ಹೈಡ್ರೋಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಚೈನ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಪ್ ಚೈನ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಚೈನ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಚೈನ್. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್, ದ ನೇಮ್ cyclo, it means like a cycle. So it means like a cycle, cyclic compounds which contain closed hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons, it means carbons and hydrogens are present. So closed hydrocarbon chain, and these are also called as alicyclic compounds. See the word alicyclic. Acyclic ಅಂದ್ರೆ cycle is object, but alicyclic there is a presence of cycle. These cycles are combined to formation of a ring. Okay, so the general formula of the cycloalkanes is CH2 n times, CH2 methylene. So this methylene, it has the n times where it is called 1 2 3 like that, 1 2 3 and we shall come to the nomenclature. This nomenclature of the cycloalkanes, it involves the three things: the compound, the common name, and the IUPAC name. First, we shall see the compound. See here, CH2, CH2, CH2. This is in the cyclic fashion. This is in the cyclic fashion. And the name of this is, how many methyl groups are there? There are the 3 methylene groups are there. So, trimethylene, the name, it is the common name. And IUPAC name is cyclopropane. IUPAC name is cyclopropane, and it is denoted simply as like this, as a triangle. And this triangle shows that the cyclopropane ring. Second one, the second IUPAC name, see here, CH2, 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 and CH2. This is in the formation of square. And the common name for this, how many methylene groups are there? 1, 2, 3, and 4. See here, 4, it is called as the tetramethylene is the name. And the IUPAC name is cyclo. It is the formation of the ring, cyclobutane. Other name of cyclopropane, cyclobutane. It is simply, we can show that as the square. The next one, CH2, 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 CH2. There are the 5. It means pentamethylene, and the name is cyclopentane. Cyclopentane is denoted by this letter, and cyclohexane, it is denoted by this sign. Okay, these are the IUPAC names. So shall I repeat once again? The cyclic compounds are containing the closed hydrocarbon chains, and also these are called as the alicyclic compounds. These have the general formula CH2 n times. And the nomenclature, the compound, it is here. These 3 CH2 groups, methylene groups, they will form a ring, that is the triangle. That is called the cyclopropane, and this is called the cyclobutane, and the other ones cyclopentane, cyclohexane, cycloheptane, and so on. Okay, next coming to the IUPAC names of the branched cycloalkanes. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is called as the cyclopentane. This cyclopentane, one methyl group is attached. So the name is not a methyl group, it is a okay. The name, the methyl group, it is present at the any one of the carbon atom of the 5. Okay, and the name is methyl cyclopentane. Comes to the next example. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is a cyclopentane ring. At the first position, ethyl group is present. Second position, methyl group is present. According to the IUPAC name rule, you have to give the number to the branching carbon to the lowest number. So lowest number ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇದು first position ಬರುತ್ತೆ, second one, third one. Sir, ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ CH3? Okay, in the alphabetical order, methyl comes second and ethyl comes first. So according to the alphabetical order, we can given the name and the number. That is 1, 2, 3. According to the alphabetical order, ethyl comes first and methyl comes second. So we can give the first number to the ethyl group. second position, third position, fourth position, and fifth position. And this is the cyclopentane ring. And it is ethyl, 1 ethyl, 1, 2, 3, third position, 3 methyl. These are the short forms ethyl and methyl. And the total name, it is cyclopentane. 1 ethyl, 3 methyl, cyclopentane is the name. Next, see here, this is not a benzene ring because the bonds are absent in the inside ring, in the inside of the ring. So this is called as the cyclohexane. See, there is a difference. There is a difference between the benzene and cyclohexane. This is called as the benzene ring, and this is called as cyclohexane ring. The cyclohexane is benzene. So this is cyclohexane ring. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have given the number from 1 this side. You given from this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number what the branch of carbon, it comes to lowest number, or it like numbers. See here, at the second position there is the presence of ethyl group. Et means ethyl. And third, see here, 1 and 3. 1, 3 at the first position and third position, dimethyl groups are present. See here, dimethyl cyclohexane. It is a IUPAC name. 2-ethyl, 1, 3 dimethyl cyclohexane is the IUPAC name of that one. These are the IUPAC names. See here, IUPAC naming rules. I have already very well known that how the compounds these are named by the alphabetical order, or it may be a number, or the branch of carbon, it comes to lowest number. Like that, these things are involved in this. See here once again, this is the cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, cyclohexane, cycloheptane, 7 number ring, cyclooctane, 8 number ring, cyclonone. Okay, so that is 9 number ring, and these are the branched chains. Methyl cyclopentane, 1 ethyl, 3 methyl cyclopentane. Next, 2 ethyl, 1, 3 dimethyl cyclohexane. Okay, these are the introduction class, cyclohexane definition and IUPAC names. Next, we shall come to the methods of preparations. This methods of preparation, the first method, distillation of calcium salts of dicarboxylic acid followed by reduction. Okay, distillation of calcium salts or barium salts. Distillation, it is the purification process. First, we go through distillation, right? Distillation is the purification process. The distillation of calcium salts of dicarboxylic acid. Single carboxylic acid formula COOH, but dicarboxylic acid, it contains 2 COOH groups, and followed by reduction. Reduction, it means addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen. Addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen. See here, I will take the calcium adipate as the example. This calcium adipate has the formula CH2, 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 COOCH, dicarboxylic acid. Calcium dicarboxylic. Okay, see here, COO group. And this is distillation, purification process. This purification process, the evolution of CaCO3 molecule takes place. CaCO3 is evolved, and we get CH2, is obtained. And in the next step, it is reduction by using the zinc amalgam in HCl. Zinc amalgam in HCl, the formation of the final product, that is cyclopentane. Cyclopentane is obtained. The removal of oxygen group and addition of H2 group. This is the cyclopentane, and this is the first method of synthesis. Chemical properties, the second method, it is from dihalides. Which type of dihalides? It is terminal dihalides. Terminal, it means at the last carbon there are the 2 halogen groups are present. See here, CH2, CH2, CH2. It is not a ring, it is straight chain carbon. Just I write in this fashion only. So the name is 1,3 dichloropropane. This 1,3 dichloropropane, it is heated with sodium metal or the zinc. Then we get the cyclopropane. It is the 3 number ring with the elimination of sodium chloride. This is the second method. And the third method, from aromatic hydrocarbons. Aromatic hydrocarbons, it contains the benzene ring, 6 member ring. And this benzene ring, the catalytic reduction of benzene. Catalytic reduction. Reduction of addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen. So addition of hydrogen. These three hydrogens are molecules which are added to this benzene ring by using the nickel catalyst under pressure. Then we get cyclohexane. This is the benzene. The name of this is the benzene, and it is converted into cyclohexane. Cyclohexane. These three are the methods of preparations of cycloalkanes. Okay, first one calcium disalts, second one from dihalides, third one from aromatic hydrocarbons. And the next come to the chemical properties. Another kind, it is called as the Bayer-Strain theory. This Bayer-Strain theory, the Bayer is a scientist. He find out the strain in the molecule. He find out the strain in the molecule. How will he find out the strain in the molecule? See here. He given one standard bond angle. The bond angle between two carbon atoms, it is 109 degree 28 minutes. The bond angle between two standard carbons, it is 109 degree 28 minutes. If the bond angle is reduced or increased from 109 degree 28 minutes, or the bond angle is deviated from 109 degree 28 minutes, so this it tends to molecule, it is obtained in the strain. The molecule, it is obtained as the strain. This strain molecule, it becomes the unstable. As the strain increases, the molecule, it should be unstable. And this is called as the standard bond angle. That is 109 degree 28 minutes. This is the standard bond angle. If any deviation which takes place from this bond angle, that is called as the molecule is strained. Okay, just I will take one best example of cyclopropane. See here, this is cyclopropane, it contains the triangle, and original bond angle for cyclopropane is 60 degree. 60 degree, and standard bond angle according to the Bayer-Strain theory, it is 109 degree 28 minutes. So see here, just I calculated in this fashion, that is half into standard bond angle minus the required bond angle. Required bond angle means we have taken the cyclopropane. This cyclopropane bond angle, it is 60 degrees Celsius. See here, half into 109 degree na 108 degree ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Keep it in your mind. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes it is shown in this fashion. 1 dash. So 60 plus 28, it is 88 minutes. 109 into 108 degree. 28 is 88 because 1 degree is converted to 60 minutes. And 60 I written as it is. Half into 108 degree minus 60 degree. Degree na degree si ಕಳೆಯಬೇಕು, ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ na minutes si ಕಳೆಯಬೇಕು. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ degree ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ. 108 ನಲ್ಲಿ 60 ಹೋದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ you are getting the 48 degrees. So 48 degrees and 88 minutes remaining ಉಳಿತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು divided by 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 24 degree 44 minutes. Okay, 24 degree 44 minutes, and it is obtained from this cyclopropane molecule. So here this much of strain is obtained in the cyclopropane ring, and the bond angle, it is not 108 degree 28 minutes, but it is 60 degree. And here this much of strain is obtained, and the molecule is unstable in nature. Molecule is unstable in nature. Next, come to the second one, cyclobutane. Cyclobutane ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, half into 109 degree. Cyclobutane, ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರಿ, it is this is called as, and the bond angle for this is 90 degrees. See here, half into 109 degree 28 minutes minus 90. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ 9 degree 44 minutes. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಏನಾಯಿತು, compared to the cyclopropane and cyclobutane, the strain reduces. The molecule is still unstable, but compared to the cyclopropane, it is stable molecule. Next, cyclopentane. This cyclopentane is obtained at 0 degree 44 minutes. The answer for this one is 0 degree 44 minutes. And this 0 degree 44 minutes tells that the molecule is stable in nature. but when compared to the 109-degree bond angles, it is unstable because of 44 minutes. It has the strain is obtained. Next, cyclohexane. This cyclohexane, it is minus 5 degrees 16 minutes. Like that, all the molecules they comes under the strain. Any molecule, it is under the strain molecule, it is called as the unstable in nature. Means the deviation of the bond angle. See here, I will take the 109 degrees and 60 degrees. Now you require to 109 degree 28 minutes, but you require 60 degree. ಇವೆರಡೂ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. As the strain increases, the molecule becomes highly unstable. As the strain increases, the molecule becomes unstable. As the strain decreases, the molecule is stable in nature. This is the Bayer strain theory. Okay. In the continuation of the class, we shall discuss another one theory. After the Bayer strain theory, there is comes under Saake-Morse theory. This Saake-Morse theory, what it tells that the Saake is the scientist and Moore is also a scientist, and this Saake-Morse tells that what happens, and in the Bayer strain theory, the strain in the molecule is obtained. That is the standard bond angle, tetrahedral standard bond angle, it is 109 degree 28 minutes. So any deviation from that bond angle, the molecules it becomes strain. At the heading of Bayer strain theory ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ Saake-Morse theory ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, I will take the example of cyclohexane. This cyclohexane, all the carbon atoms which are present in the plane, at that time the strain is obtained in the molecule, that is minus 5 degree 16 minutes. So calculation half into standard bond angle minus the particular bond angle of the cyclohexane. The calculated value is minus 5 degree 16 minutes. But the Saake-Morse theory, what it tells that the rings becomes the free from strain. The rings became free from strain. How and where? See here, if all the ring carbons are not forced into the one plane, if all the carbon atoms are not forced into the one plane, so that if the ring is assumed to be folded, or pugged, it means sukkugattirakkanadu. If the ring is assumed that a folded structure or a pugged structure condition, normal tetrahedral angle, that is 109 degree 28 minutes, are retained. The bond angle of 109 degree 28 minutes is retained. Bond angle ಉಳಿತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವಾಗ? If all the ring carbons these are present not in the plane. Okay, retained. As a result, the strain in the ring is released. The strain in the ring, again strain ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ minus 5 degree 16 minutes, ಈ strain release ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So this strain or this theory, it can be studied in the cyclohexane ring. See here, for example, the cyclohexane it exists in the two forms, that is the chair form and boat form. These two are the structures of the chair form and boat form. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atoms, and 2, 6, 8, then 10, 12, 14 hydrogen atoms. Okay, C6H14 cyclohexane and C6H14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atoms, 14 hydrogen atoms. See here, the cyclohexane exists in chair form and boat form. This is the chair form and this is the boat form. See here, these chair form and boat form, the carbon atoms, these are not present in the plane. And it reduces the strain. The bond angle which comes to the 109 degree 28 minutes, and here the strain is reduced or the strain is released, and hence this molecule is stable in nature. But according to the Bayer strain theory, the cyclohexane atom, it is obtained as the minus 5 degree 16 seconds strain is obtained. But according to the Saake-Morse theory, all the carbon atoms which are not present in the plane, and see here there are the two forms are obtained, chair form and boat form. These two forms have the strainless rings. And see here, the hydrogens are present. These hydrogens and each carbon atom it contains two hydrogens. These two hydrogens it is pointed like this. Okay, and these hydrogens are called as axial hydrogens and equatorial hydrogens. Axial hydrogens and equatorial hydrogens. If how we show that the axial hydrogens na ಹೆಂಗ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, the axial hydrogens in which hydrogens are straight up or down. See here, these are the axial hydrogens and this is the axial hydrogen. This is the axial hydrogen. See here, straight up or down. You know, straight up here. Axial, axial, axial. Okay, so these are called as the axial hydrogens. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hydrogens are called as axial hydrogens. And this one, see here, this is slightly upwards or downwards. Slightly upwards or downwards. Slightly upwards or downwards. Slightly upwards or downwards. These types of hydrogens are called as equatorial hydrogens. This is the axial and these are the equatorial hydrogens. This is the chair form and also word form. This is the axial, this is the axial, this is the axial, this is the axial, and this is the axial, and this is the axial. But these are equatorial hydrogens. See here, axial hydrogens, these are straight up or down. Then equatorial hydrogens, these are slightly above or below the ring. And these two are the strainless rings. These two are called as the strainless ring. Still more structures are obtained: half board, twist chair, twist board, like that. Those structures are obtained for also the cyclohexane ring. But according to your syllabus, only the Sakya-Mohs theory contains two rings: chair form and board form. These two are the okay. And between these two, chair form and board form, the chair form is most stable and compared to the board form. Chair form is most stable and compared to the board form. Yake, the reason is, see here, the molecule it should be joined in the board position. Board form only molecules are joined up. So all molecules crowding up. Crowding up the energy it decreases and the molecule is less stable and compared to the chair form. But the bond angles are the same. 109 degree 28 minutes, that is the standard bond angle. But stable molecule, it is stable. It is less unstable. It is compared to this. Once again I repeat, Sakya-Mohs theory. The cyclohexane molecule it has a strain -5 degree 16 minutes and rings became free from strain if all the ring carbon atoms are not forced into the plane. So that if the rings are assumed to be folded or hooked. So hooked or folded, that is a chair form and board form. In this condition, the normal tetrahedron and the 110 degree 28 minutes is retained. As a result, the strain in the ring is released. So we can discuss the cyclohexane. Cyclohexane exists in chair form and board form. The chair form and this board form. It contains two types of hydrogens: axial hydrogens and equatorial hydrogens. Axial hydrogens which should be shown as it is, that is straight up or straight down in this fashion, and equatorial hydrogens, the equatorial hydrogens are slightly above or below. In this is the most stable and compared to these two, but this is less stable and compared to this chair form because the molecule crowding is obtained. See here, there is no molecule crowding is obtained in the chair form. For this is the stable in nature. So this is about the cycloalkanes, methods of preparations, IUPAC names, and Bayes theory, and also the Sakya-Mohs theory. Okay, thank you very much.